Our project is Automatic Cleaning Robot. Hello everyone, we are here to present our creative project from Makerspace Balik Pulau. This is my teammate. My name is Danish Shahnazan bin Muhammad Nazri, and this is my teammate Muhammad Akmal. And we are from SK Pass. Now, we are excited to present an innovative project that brings together technology and clean lines. Our project involved the use of microbit and recabit to create an intelligent vacuum cleaner. Me and my teammate Akmal.
The
The
project.
project.
Our project is all about cleaning processes by developing a smart vacuum cleaner. Our project comprises two main components: Microbit, based vacuum controller responsible for controlling the vacuum cleaner's movement. Recabit, used for intelligent navigation and cleaning.
Problems.
Problems.
The problem we aim to solve is the time and effort required for cleaning tasks in homes. Goals.
Goals. Our project aligns with Sustainable Development Goals 3, good health and well-being. A clean environment promotes better health and well-being for everyone. Challenges.
Challenges. One major challenge was creating an efficient vacuum control system using the microbit. Ensuring it could navigate and clean effectively was crucial. To overcome this challenge, we developed a navigation system for the vacuum cleaner. Coding.
Coding.
This is
Is
our
my
coding.
our
Our
project
project
photo.
photo. In, con- in conclusion, our project aligns with SDGs by promoting clean lines, health, and innovation. We appreciate your time and interest in our project. Thanks
Thanks
for
for watching
watching.
this
This is
video.
see you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.